Hi guys, my name is Wendy. I am from the lifeguards here in Santa Teresa. This is a tutorial to help you to stay safe in our beaches because the Pacific Ocean is very beautiful, but it's also very powerful. That's a very important video, so stay tuned. In today's video, we're gonna show you 5 tips on how to stay safe in our beaches. For example, where you can go safely into the ocean in Santa Teresa and where not. The meaning of the colors of our flags on the beach. How to recognize a rip current and how to behave in it. And finally, what to do when you have a problem in the water. If you like our videos, thumbs up! Got it! Let's start now! So now, let's talk about bad spots. The bad spots are next to the rocks, the absence of waves, being close to a surfing class, and the fact of being alone. Rocks are dangerous because you can hit yourself and also they create a big current that can suck you into the ocean. The absence of wave means that the water is deeper and there is probably a strong rip current. One of the most common misunderstandings is people seeing the absence of wave and thinking that it's a good spot to go swimming when it's actually the most dangerous part of the beach. Don't go where you don't see waves because that means that you have a strong current. Please don't go to swim alone because in case of an emergency, no one can help you. Please never swim close to a surf lesson because you could be hit by the boards. Please never go to a bad spot. Alright, so if you're not in a bad spot, you're in a good spot. It is a good spot because there is no rip current, no rocks, and the sand is good. Please pay attention to the flags. If you see one flag like this in our beaches, it has a meaning. If I see the red and yellow flag, that means that I have a lifeguard on duty at the tower and it's a safe place. Red means there are some rocks or a strong rip current. A black flag means that it's extremely dangerous to swim. It means you have a rip current, very strong and powerful, and a lot of rocks. Don't swim. This is extremely dangerous to swim. Please don't go. So how can I spot a rip current? If I see darker water, absence of waves because it's deeper, and some water or foam getting into the ocean, that means that I'm facing a rip current. If you get sucked by a rip current, don't panic. Please don't waste energy trying to swim against the current. Relax, breathe, and calm down. Try to swim on the side of the current, parallel to the beach. If you can't get out, don't panic, try to float and ask for help.